Lassi is a beautiful creamy yogurt drink, and today we are going to flavour them with spices, some fresh fruits and sugar. Welcome back to Flavour Friday. My name is Ruby from the School of Wok, and today I'm going to show you how to make lassi 3 ways. So today we're making lassi. This is a very traditional Indian drink. It really kind of cuts through the humidity and the heat in India. I fondly remember my time traveling and drinking these to just really cool down and take a beat. So we're making them 3 ways today. We're going to be making a mango lassi, which is our sweet variety. We're making a salty version and a masala, so a blended spice version as well. So right here I have got some natural set yogurt. It is really thick and creamy, and we've got some fresh ingredients as well, some ice so we can cool it down. We're going to be preparing all of these 3 lassi in our blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use an emulsifier, you can whisk it together, you can kind of do it in a cocktail shaker if that's what you've got, but we'll blitz it up in our blender today. So first up, mango lassi. So firstly, we're adding in our fresh and ripe mango. We're adding in our naturally set yogurt, then some ice just to chill it nicely, a little bit of water. Next, we're adding in some ground cardamom and some pandan syrup to give it that beautiful sweetness and flavor it gently. Let's blend it. Looks so beautiful. Let's serve it up. And then we can garnish it with I've got some saffron here, super pretty, just a couple of strands. Mango lassi. Lassi number 2, let's make a salty one. So for our salty lassi, we are adding in our yogurt, some ice. So I have roasted some cumin seeds and then ground them up in my mortar and pestle. And a really good seasoning of salt. You want that flavor to come through. And now we're gonna give it a good old blend. Lassi number 2, salty. And we'll garnish it with some fresh mint leaves. Now, for our last lassi, we are making a masala lassi. So let's blend together some spices. So we are adding in our natural yogurt, some ice, then we have our ground spices. So we are adding in some black pepper, some cardamom, and some nutmeg. We're gonna add in some palm sugar to give it a nice balance of sweetness and top it up with some water. Let's blend it up. Okay, and then we have our beautifully spiced masala lassi. There you have it. There is my 3 versions of lassi. Okay, ready to try these amazing lassis. So I'm gonna start off with our mango. It's not overly sweet. You really get the flavor of the mango. Yum. Okay, let's try our salty. If you haven't tried a salted lassi, I definitely would give it a go. It is oddly refreshing and really palatable. And last but not least, our masala. Too far? Yum! That is such a beautiful blend of flavors. It's nothing too offensive. It's refreshing, it's light. These are a perfect drink for any hot day. So tell me in the comments below, what is your favorite kind of lassi? Is it sweet? Is it savory? Is it masala? Salty? You tell me in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning in to Flavour Friday here at the School of Wok. Please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, comment below, and like this video.
Hey guys, thank you so much for supporting us on Patreon so far. We are launching our new Discord server and new tiers for Patreon on the 13th of September. You can get involved with the new chat system, with all our great new content that's going to come out soon. We can't wait to see you there on the new tiers.